This is the Lone Creator YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by confirming prerequisites. Ensure your Iquanta account, correct role permissions, and the dataset are available. Once done, open the dashboard, pick the workspace, and select the specific project so your views load correctly. Make sure to set the global time range and default filters early. This prevents misleading charts later. If the data source shows disconnected, refresh credentials now. Otherwise, proceed to load the main overview panel and prepare to drill into metrics. You now dig into configuration. Customize widgets by picking chart types, aggregation methods, and grouping keys so each visual answers a specific question. Once configured, build filters and segments. Test queries on a small sample to confirm logic before saving. This avoids widespread errors. Then add calculated metrics for derived KPIs and use historical comparisons to interpret trends. Make iterative adjustments, checking performance impact. If a panel loads slowly, simplify query. You finish by saving a version dashboard, set an appropriate refresh cadence, and apply access controls so stakeholders see the right view. Then export snapshots or share links, annotate important insights, and lock critical panels to prevent accidental edits. Finally, validate results with a quick spot check against raw tables. If numbers don't match, first rerun the source sync and inspect query filters for accidental exclusions. If problems persist, check permissions and contact the data owner for schema changes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.